Okay, so we're back, and again, we've washed our hands, so let's see what we have here. Dome lid off. And at this point, you know, you want to start watching for tails. It is going to be growing. It kind of depends on what time of the year it is. If it's winter time, you know, they're going to grow slower. It's not going to be as warm in the house, and sprouts really want that warm room temperature air. If we're starting to see tails, then we're going to be ready to feed. I'm not seeing quite tails yet, so it's going to go another rinse, and then it's going to grow for another 8 hours. So let's do our rinse. Now, had we had seen tails, we would have started feeding, but we didn't see tails yet, so. And we're going to discard our water. And make sure we get that water out. Okay, we're going to elevate, dome lid on. And we should have some tails within 8 hours. So we're going to set that aside and let it grow.